If you're sensitive about prices, this is probably not the right channel for you, girl. Not even gonna lie. I ain't even gonna hold you. The girls that get it, get it. Hey girls, what's good? It's Brittany and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I post all things home decor, fashion, black girl luxury, and if you like all or any of that, definitely go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So today we have a small little luxury haul. Now if you follow me on my vlogs, I do vlog every Sunday. Usually my vlogs get everything first. So the vlogs will get like behind the scenes of me shopping, mom life, just taking you guys to places here in Dallas. Actually, I have a request. If you watch my vlogs regularly, post in the comments why other people should watch the vlogs. Because of course I feel like I know why people should watch the vlogs, but I'm curious as to why other people think other people should watch the vlogs, if that makes sense. Anyways, if you want to see what I got, then keep watching. All right, so we're gonna start with fragrances. A lot of these, I mean, like they're luxury brands, but they're not like super high end. So first, we're just gonna start with my Valentino Born in Aroma. I actually was gifted this back in December. Actually, I want to spray it right now. Yeah, I'm obsessed with this fragrance. It smells so good. I will go ahead and put some of the notes on the screen, but this is like that girl fragrance, if you know what I mean. It's a great date night scent. I don't know, it's just one of those perfumes that I've had on my list for a while and I feel like every girl should have in her collection. So I will go ahead and post the prices in case you're curious. If you're sensitive about prices, this is probably not the right channel for you, girl. Not even gonna lie. I ain't even gonna hold you. But yes, I'll have all the prices and all the links in the description box below. So we're just gonna stay with fragrances. So my next fragrance I got from Burberry, and you guys, I have a huge tip. So if you want the really like nice luxury packaging, try ordering things just directly from the brand and not a third party like Sephora or Nordstrom or even Nemus. Like if you want like the really pretty nice packaging, just go straight to the brand when you order it. And basically I just wanted to show y'all how it comes packaged when you buy it from Burberry. And I did have a really pretty ribbon on this as well. But yes, from Burberry, I got Burberry Her. This is such a pretty fragrance. Like this is kind of like hot girl, it girl, that girl. This is kind of like pretty. It reminds me of like sorority girl, feminine, dainty is kind of the vibes that I get from this, but it's really, really pretty. Yeah, it's such a pretty fragrance. I feel like every girl should have Burberry Her in her fragrance wardrobe. And again, I'll go ahead and I'll post all the notes on the screen. All right, y'all, so next we have a fragrance that I got from Jo Malone. I have been wanting something from this brand for the longest. I've had a lot of like dupes of this brand, but I wanted to get something that was very unique and something that was like just something very different that I don't have anything like. So I ended up getting their silver birch and lavender. Y'all, the lavender in this is like insanely beautiful. The silver birch, it gives it like a nice woodiness. It's definitely unisex and it's got this like coolness to it. You know how Soleil Blanc is like a warm summer sun, but Soleil Neige is like a cool winter sun? It kind of gives me like a cool winter sun type of a vibe. Like I think it's a really, really good winter fragrance. It smells expensive. It's got a really, really good projection, but again, I don't know if it's that silver birch, it gives it this like lightness to it, like this cool lightness to it. And the cool thing is that I actually got this engraved and it does have my YouTube name engraved in the back. So yeah, it's just a very special fragrance to me. A lot of people don't have this scent because it's one of their newer scents. So yes, I'm just very happy to have this in my collection. All right, so we have one more fragrance. Again, you guys, we love fragrance on this channel. Now this is that girl. Like I know I said she was that girl, but this really is that girl. Like this is that girl in like college, but this is that girl that is like graduated, she lives on her own, she's all luxury everything. Like this is that girl. So yes, this is the Parfums de Marly. Delina Exclusive. Specifically the Exclusive. I've smelled the regular Delina. It smells great. But there's something about this that smells expensive, girl. She is my most expensive perfume to date, and I feel like she's worth every penny. The bottle is gorgeous. Like, she's beautiful. Like, it's soft, it's pretty, it's strong, it's powdery. It's just like, honestly, this would be my top favorite scent, hands down. Like, she's my favorite scent, period. So yes, I'm so happy to finally have her in my collection. All right, so next we'll get into a pair of shoes. Again, I've already hauled this on my blog, but in case you did not watch the vlog, these are from Cult Gaia. These were also on my luxury wish list. And cute little bag. And I got the Fifi sandals in like the beige color. So yes, I plan on wearing these on vacation. I can just see myself wearing these on an island. This is like such my style. Like, this is me in a sandal. Like, very different, but very fun and just like eccentric. They're just me. Even just like the bottoms are cute. Yes. Now I am still looking for the perfect outfit to wear this with. So follow me on my vlogs because we're going to be doing some shopping for an upcoming trip that I'm taking because I need to find the perfect outfit for these shoes. I want to do them justice. So yes, again, turn on your notifications, follow the vlogs. If you love having fun and going to nice places and buying nice things, then you will love the vlog. Alright, so next we have this Burberry piece. That is also for my vacation. Alright, so we're untying her. I kind of feel like I should have unboxed this on my Instagram first. Okay, maybe I'll just like package it back up and then like re-unbox it on my Instagram. But anywho, so I'm not gonna like fully do it. Okay, so I ended up getting this piece from Burberry, and it is their one-piece bathing suit. When I look at this in the mirror and I have this on, I feel like she looks so good. She looks so perfect. But on Forward, I saw another Burberry bathing suit that had like the giant checkers and it was diagonal, and I feel like I kind of like that better. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this or not, but I do really like it. I feel like it looks really good on me. And I like the fact that it's a one piece, so I won't have to feel self-conscious in it. And also I feel like I could wear this with like shorts. I could wear this like as an actual top around town as well. But yes, I am obsessed with this cute little one piece from Burberry. Next is something that I picked up from, of course, as y'all can tell, Chanel. You guys, I got my first Camellia. I'm obsessed. And this is something else when I say, like, if you can buy directly from the boutique, do it, because you're just not going to get this from Neiman's. So I've had my eyes on these for a while. I saw Aaliyah's face with this item. And when I went to the store, they didn't have the exact item that she had, because her item, I think she got it from Neiman's, and this piece they only carry at the Chanel boutique. At least that's what the sales lady told me. Y'all, I don't know about the Chanel here in Highland Park in Dallas, because, not gonna lie, they were not the nicest there. They were not the nicest. But anyways, I got a couple of things. So the first thing that I got is a beauty item. And I think I first saw Monroe Still with these, and they are little Chanel facial cottons. And they come in the cutest little box. They weren't that much either. Basically, I want to like redo my bathroom. I've been focusing a lot on my bedroom, a lot on my living room, but I think I want to do my bathroom next. And I thought that these would be perfect. And I'm also pretty sure you can only get these at the boutique. well. Like, I don't even see these on their website. How do you open it? For real, how do you open it? I don't know how to open this. I don't want to mess it up. Wait, this is, oh, it slides. Okay, so apparently it slides out. And this is what it looks like. It's the top. And it's got this little tissue paper on top. And you guys, they're the cutest little Chanel. Like, they all have the Chanel embossed on them, but they're just like the cutest little Chanel facial cottons. Like, you can use this to clean your face. I'm probably honestly just gonna use this for decor, but they're so cute. I know they're extra, but they're cute. They're cute. And honestly, y'all, like, even when I run out of these, I'm probably gonna keep the box and just put my regular cottons in here. I don't know, I just think that this is just too cute. It's cute. The girls that get it, get it. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna quit playing with y'all and I'm going to open up the actual gift. Okay, I'm gonna do an unboxing really fast and then I'll come back, I promise, and then we'll actually see what I have. All right, I'm back. So I did go ahead and unbox it on my Instagram. So if you're not, follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok if you want to see the actual like cinematic unboxing. But I got this, as you can tell. It's obviously not a bag. But they're so cute. So cute. So I got a pair of sunglasses. And y'all, even just the packaging is so cute. Chanel, and then it's got the quilting, and then it says Chanel in the inside. I know I need my nails done so bad, but I wanted to film this haul before getting my nails done. I don't know. And I got the Chanel Sunnies that have the Chanel at the top. You guys, they're so cute. So this is what they look like on, and it has like the double C's over here, and then it just has like the Chanel at the top, and it's actually, so it might look like it's white, but the top part is actually like a nude color, which is what's exclusive to the Chanel boutique. So at Neiman's, I believe they have it with the white up top, but only at the boutique do they have it where it's like this nude color, which I don't know, again, I just thought it was something different. Yeah, I don't know, I think it's really cute. I'm a nude girl anyways, so I feel like it's perfect, and I feel like I could wear this on vacation. I don't know, I just feel like this is gonna just upgrade a lot of my more like casual looks, and it just gives it a little extra to it. So yes, that's everything for this luxury haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let me know what your favorite piece is in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I post vlogs every Sunday. And as always, remember to be good to yourself, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.